Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the stream posting function in the Google Classroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the class that you created. For this you will find a separate video on this channel. And then just click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the stream posting button and click on that. And as you can see, you can set it for three settings. So you can allow students to post and comment, you can allow students to only comment, and you can allow only teachers to post and comment. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.